So let's dive into PilotCheck Pro. Think of it as a cognitive safety net for marine pilots. Even for the most experienced pilot, there's only so much brain space to go around. It's not about skill. It's that checklists handle the simple stuff so you can focus on the hard stuff. Aviation has been doing this for years, right? The marine industry is now wisely catching on. And that's where PilotCheck Pro comes in. It's built by pilots for pilots to offload that mental burden. But, this is way more than just a simple digital checklist. It is so much more. For starters, it's totally flexible. You can take the checklists they give you and customize them completely. You can even import checklists from files or, get this, scan paper copies right into the app.
And the cool part? You can instantly share your custom procedures with other pilots.
Okay, but what about an emergency? How fast can you find that one critical contact? Well, PilotCheck Pro is also your digital pilot card. It keeps all your contacts sorted by what they do. And getting set up is fast. Just import contacts from your phone, a file, or even a photo. But here's a really crucial feature. It links you directly from the bridge to the shore when seconds count. Send an SMS with GPS, weather, and tide info right from a checklist item in an emergency. So beyond safety, this creates a professional, defensible record of every single action you take. See, every check, note, or photo gets timestamped. It builds this rich, automated report for you. So what's the bottom line? Less cognitive load means way more situational awareness for you.
So you have to ask yourself, is your process really as resilient as your expertise?